Alright, so the loud dinging is the light, but just thought I'd show you part 2 of my quality Cub Cadet, really super crappy cab. I already pushed it through its waters, so this back half needs to get redone. The top I did out of just that tarp stuff. And I did, what, 1.25 inch bolts there, or whatever, 1.25 inch holes, or those grommet pieces. I found it at Max for like, I don't know, I want to say like $5 for like a dirty dozen. Anyway, so far, I did not glue it. There's a couple screws that were just there way back in the day. I did have a chunk of PVC down here, and that didn't stay. This is vinyl stuff, is super cheap stuff that I got Joann's, and I didn't feel really manly when I went in there, and felt less manly when I came out. Yeah, because it's a girly girl store. Anyway, it was on sale for like half off. I want to say this is the thinner stuff, 2 or 3 millimeter. Anyway, for what it is, I like it. The PVC, I had it left over, but it was dirt cheap. I want to say at the end of the day, it was probably costing me $20 for this whole thing, all said and done. 20, 25, roughly about there. I pinned it 2 times up here and then 2 times in the rear. It sure did shake, but it did not, nothing came apart, so I'm pretty ecstatic about that. Back up in the rafter thingy, just to give you a little quick see. Yeah, like it overall, like I thoroughly liked it, so just to give you guys a heads up. And all I wanted it for was just merely a windbreak. That's it. So anyway, like always, jack of all trades, master of none. See ya.